Clove has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for dental problems due to its antiseptic, analgesic, and anti-inflammatory properties. Here are some of the dental benefits of cloves. Relief from toothaches. Clove oil can help alleviate tooth pain and sensitivity by numbing the affected area. It is often used as a natural remedy for toothaches and can be applied directly to the affected tooth or added to warm water and used as a mouthwash. Treatment for gum disease. The anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties of clove can help treat gum disease by reducing inflammation, killing harmful bacteria, and promoting healing. Freshen breath. Clove oil has a natural, spicy aroma that can help freshen breath and eliminate bad breath-causing bacteria in the mouth. Tooth decay prevention. Clove oil contains eugenol, which has been shown to have a protective effect against tooth decay and cavities. Root canal treatment. Clove oil is sometimes used during root canal treatment as a natural disinfectant to help eliminate bacteria and prevent infection. Use clove daily in your diet. It will bring health benefits not only to your body but also prevent dental problems.